Hey, if you want to perform the hard reset of your JBL Tune 450 or 460, all you have to do is first power off your headphones by using this power button. So click and hold it and wait until indicator turns off. Next, from your device, you have to just remove this connection. So click to forget and click to forget device. So basically you will have to open the boot settings, click on this switcher and then just forget your device. That's how it looks. I just forgot to show you step by step how to enter for the boot settings, but it's quite simple actually. And next we have to use this button, the power button. Click and hold it and wait until this indicator starts blinking quickly. There we go. And now when it's blinking quickly, we have to use two buttons combination. So we have to click and hold the volume up button and the volume down button together until this indicator starts blinking white. So click and hold. As you can see right now it is blinking white and turns back to the blue. So then click and hold your headphones to turn them off. And then click and hold one more time to enter for the pairing mode and pair them with any device. Now we can release. And that's the factory reset of your JBL Tune 450 and 460. Right now please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.